Hello folks, once again, welcome back to Roots Gourmet Kitchen. Today we are going to make together a red velvet cake. In this bowl here, the ingredients I have, I'm going to put all the dry ingredients together. I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour in this container, 3 cups of white granulated sugar. I have half cup of cornstarch, which I'm going to throw into this here. 1.5 cup teaspoon of baking soda. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 cup of cocoa powder. We're going to put all the dry ingredients into this container, and we are going to mix it together before we add the wet ingredients. We're just going to put it aside, and we're just going to mix these. We're not going to start, just going to mix it together like that. Get all the ingredients incorporated. Just like this. That's our dry ingredients. Now we are going to put all our wet ingredients into this. We are going to put 4 eggs. I'm just going to scrape this off. A cup and a half of buttermilk. We are going to throw it into this. Get everything done in there. A cup and 1/4 of warm water, just room temperature. 1 cup of oil, vegetable oil. Just going to put it in there. 1 tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar. And last, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for us to get a red velvet, we have to put red food coloring. So we have 2 teaspoons of red food coloring. I'm just going to dump that in. If after mixing you discover that it's not red enough for you, you can just put a few more tips. We're just going to go in here, and we're going to start slowly and smooth. Low whisk, just to whisk everything together evenly. There's a cake. It's as easy as this. Now we are going to just put the batter into 3 separate 9-inch baking sheets, because we are going to do a layer red velvet cake, and we are going to do a frosting after it's done. So we're just going to just rub this a little more, and we are going to put layers. We have to try to distribute this evenly in the 3 9-inch pre-greased cake tins. So let's see how we can do this. We want to get it fairly even. So like this. Let's see. Okay, that looks fairly even, folks. So I think we got the right components here. I'm just going to scrape this down in here. I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are going to bake these for 30 to 35 minutes. And while this is being baked, we are going to go ahead and we are going to make our frosting. So when these come out and they're really cool, we are going to frost and do a little decoration. So folks, I see you guys in 35 minutes. I'm going to take these to the oven and I'll see you guys in a bit. My cakes are all done. See them here, they're all done for my red velvet cake. We are going to do a 3-layer velvet cake. I just trimmed a little off the top of this one. It was a little too high. So I'm just going to start. We are going to make the frosting for this one. So come along with me, folks. I have 16 ounces of cream cheese in here. 2 sticks of salted butter. We are just going to throw this in here. Make sure you get everything. And it's very important to leave it at room temperature, so we get everything nice and fluffy. So there we got this. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Let's throw this in here. We are going to go ahead and we are going to whisk this to become fluffy. And that's the frosting for the cheesecake. So 16 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese and 2 sticks of salted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, whisk to become fluffy and smooth. And when it becomes fluffy and smooth, then we'll add 4 cups of icing sugar. This is a very easy recipe. You just have to follow the instructions. You see it's becoming wispy and smooth, guys. Look at that. At this point, we start putting the icing sugar in, bits at a time. So we do the first half, and we just start whisking. Then you put in some more. Let me just put a little bit more down here. I'm just going to clean the bowl around to get everything in here. To incorporate everything. I want to get everything done in here. And you continue. You whisk until it all becomes fluffy and everything is incorporated to each other. So if you look clearly, you can see it almost incorporated. Look at that. You can also give a little taste. You see how this is fluffy? That's why it's important to have your cream cheese and butter at room temperature. Slowly just turn it off. So this is ready. So once again, I'm going to recap. We have 16 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese and 4 cups of icing sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract in here, and this is our icing. We are going to frost our cake. So you're going to go ahead and start frosting this. Make sure you have some all over, so when you cut into your cake, you can make sure that you have a bit of all of this in your servings. Just gently go around it like this. If it's too much, you just kind of sip a little bit off, but make sure it's all over this cake. If it runs over when you put it down, it's okay. And then we're just going to gently lay the second. We could actually put a little bit more on this. It doesn't matter if it runs over, because we have more frosting to enjoy. I'm just going to sit this one on top of it like this. It's okay if it sips over. And then we're going to start doing the second layer. Simple, you just have to take your time and just enjoy doing what you do. And we just simply take the other one here and put it over this one like that, and you just push it down a little bit. Okay, so this is my, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a little bit on top, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes so you can kind of foam up, and then I'm going to come back and just finish it off. And then we're going to cut into this beautiful red velvet cake. I'm going to put it in the fridge just to firm up a little bit. And then I'm going to come back and just finish it off. It's like it's room temperature, so it's kind of soft now. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes, guys, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to finish this off. Okay, see you guys later. Folks, I'm back with my finishing touch of my red velvet cake. There it is, folks. I'm a little bit worried because it's very humid outside, so I'm hoping it's set long enough. But what the hell, let's go in there, cut that baby up and see what's going on with it. Okay, so let's take a chance and cut into this cake. Ouch. Ooh. Let's see, let's see. There it is. My beautiful red velvet cake, folks. Look at that. Look at that. All the layers in there. The beautiful red velvety look. And there we have some cake here. And I am going to try this and see. Guys, it's too bad you guys cannot be here when I'm making all these goodies, because they are so damn good. I'm telling you guys, please check out my YouTube channel, try these recipes, subscribe, so you would see all the little goodies that we will be making for you folks. And leave a comment if you like what I'm doing, or there is something that you would like to have me make for you. Feel free, leave a comment and I will definitely make it. Folks, this is it for today. As always, it has been a pleasure doing this with you guys. Have a great evening. See you next time.